This is the sample schedule that we will program into our timer today. So this is the timer. For scheduling, you have to first enter the programming mode. For that, you have to press star 8527 hash. Now you entered the programming mode. So to enter the scheduling the weekdays mode, you have to press 4. Now that's the period one. So that is the first bell that you have to ring, which is at 9 a.m. Press hash. Duration of the bell, that is we will take 2 seconds. Yeah. Now that's the second bell that we have to time. That's 10 a.m. Duration. Third bell at 11 a.m. Duration of the bell. And now it's the fourth bell at 1 p.m. Please remember to schedule in 24-hour format. Press hash. Duration of the bell, we will take 4 seconds. That's period 5, and you don't want to enter that, so you can exit by pressing star. Now that is Monday. Now do you want to apply this schedule for Monday? If yes, press 1 for yes, 0 for no. And Tuesday, yes. So press 1. Wednesday, yes, 1. Thursday, 1. Friday, 1. And for Saturday, it's your choice whether you want it or not. If you want it, press 1. If you do not want it, press 0. And now Sunday, we don't want it, so we're pressing 0. Now press star to go back. Now the programming is done and the timer will work properly.